for joining us at the opening night of the 8th Kashish Mumbai International Queer Film Festival. When we started Bombay Doors and Humsafar Trust 1994, we would just talk in whispers, anything about gay, lesbian, transgender. And now on a main big stage like Liberty Cinema, we're actually using the word gay, lesbian, transgender so openly. So I think it's been a long journey, and Kashish is South Asia's biggest LGBTQ film festival. It's been recognized right through everywhere.
Thank you. It's so nice and lovely to see all you here year after year. It gives us such a boost to all of us, the team, the volunteers, the filmmakers, and we love you all.
It's fantastic to see year after year, to see this fantastic crowd, the audience that comes together for 5 days. And I think it's a fantastic, this thing could have happened only in Mumbai.
It is so special and important to have a film festival, an LGBTQ film festival in today's world where it is still criminal to be us, to be gay.
I think we all realize that in India, change is very important. Something like Section 377 is kind of unacceptable in 2017. And movies, storytelling, is an amazing way to make change happen.
Cinema is an art form to express yourself. You guys being here today is an art in itself. The fact that you can express yourself without caring two hoots about what the world thinks, because that is how change comes about, when you stop caring about what people think and you do what you want to do. And I hope many more family members across the country, across the world, get a message from events like this, that we need to move forward and be positive about things.
John, the British guy you were dating?
I swear I am never going to date another British guy again. You know these foreigners who come and live in India? It is such a cliche.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I will survive, as long as I know how to love. I know what's in life. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my life to give. And I survive. I will survive. I will survive.
I think it's amazing that so many individuals, artists, NGOs, citizens come. I think it's very, very important that companies come out in support. I'm very, very proud actually that Godrej VIP, two very Indian-owned Swadeshi companies are principal partners. We cannot bring about this change in silos. We need to bring about this change in collaboration, and I think companies have a very, very important role. And I think for everyone, whether you're LGBT or if you happen to be heterosexual, it's the time to speak up and speak out, and the time is now.
please request the very special guest for tonight, fresh off the critical acclaim of her film Anarkali of Ara, Swara Bhaskara.
At the very core of it, the whole LGBTQ movement, the movement for LGBTQ rights, the fight to repeal Section 377 and to decriminalize homosexuality in our country is basically a movement for giving people the freedom of self-expression, the freedom of self, the freedom of expression, the freedom to very fundamentally just be who they are.
Bye, my fairy friends, smoothies and hairy friends. As the curtain descends, the show is over. LGBT or queer, pick up that dainty rear. Time to get out of here, my friends.
So let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old and made us restless. Oh, I'm so mad I'm getting old, it makes me reckless. संध्या गावाला झाली माझ्या लग्नाची घाई, कधी बनणार तू राणी माझ्या लेकराची आई. संध्या गावाला झाली माझ्या लग्नाची घाई, कधी बनणार तू राणी माझ्या लेकराची आई. आता तर झालूया
गली में मारे फेरे पास आने को मेरे, गली में मार फेरे पास आने को मेरे. कभी परखता नैन मेरे तू, कभी परखता तो, कभी परखता